Confidence hack number 28. It doesn't take 10 years to become an overnight success. The confidence boost today comes through doing your best in your field for 10 years. And you'll see what I mean by this. Hey, I'm David Nurse. I coach NBA players, CEOs, and high performers how to hack their confidence. Now, if you want a daily boost of confidence directly to your inbox every morning, go to my website, davidnurse.com, and sign up for free to start your day off on the right confident foot. We've all heard the old adage, it takes 10 years to become an overnight success. The old adage is wrong. It actually takes more. I get the question asked a lot, how can I write books like you? Or how can I speak on stages like you do? Here's the answer. Become an expert at something and work at it for at least 10 years, and then you can do anything with your expertise. Write about it, speak about it, consult about it. Plain and simple, you can't become an expert in your field before you actually are an expert in the field. It's like the 26-year-old life coach, the public speaker on culture when they've never worked for a company or team. It just doesn't work. But hey, here's the key. If you commit 10 plus years of putting your head down and attacking the given field that you are in, you will become an expert and people will want to listen to you because you've developed expertise. I would have never been able to write books and speak on mindset and confidence had I never taught a single NBA player or high-level CEO. It all would have been based on theory. And theory is okay, but evidence-based results are far, far better. However, in the society we live in, microwave results are the goal. Virality after 3 months of a pursuit is actually expected. That's a total anomaly. A successful life can't be built on someone else's anomaly. The movie stars that came out of nowhere, they have been acting for at least 10 plus years. The expert entrepreneur that makes everything he touches turn to gold had at least 10 failed startups. Trust me. You don't see the swan kicking fervently for its life under the water. You just see the beautiful downy feathers in prime posture above the surface. Becoming an expert isn't necessarily hard. It just takes time, a lot of time. And this is your permission to understand that taking time to build yourself up as the expert is totally okay. There is no race you are currently running that is so urgent to finish. You gain confidence in 2 ways on this hack. You actually learn the field and become an expert, and you alleviate the pressure of feeling like it has to happen quickly. The confidence boost today comes in the form of letting the pressure off your shoulders and feeling you have to make it to the top of your field so quickly. You absolutely don't. And I'm not buying what you're selling if you think you do. Confidence boost gained.